Okay, so today we're gonna learn the basic skills of playing the drums. The first skills. So you need first two drumsticks like these, and then the first technique is to just do this. First you do 1, 2, 1, 2. Not 1, 2 like this, 1, 2 like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. And when you've done it, you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1. First you go like this. When you stay like this, you do it every day. And when you do it every day, you're gonna be like this after like a month. So, this is the first technique. So, let's make a replay of what we did. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, when you start the first time, it's gonna be hard. So, you need to do it like this. You do it like this for like an hour, and the next day like this, and then the next day. And when you progress, you're gonna know that you're getting faster. And after a month, you're gonna be like this. So, these are my skills of how to start playing drums. The first technique.